Ever wondered why you yawn when you see someone else do it? Yawning isn't just about being tired. It's a fascinating mystery scientists are still unraveling. One leading theory suggests yawning helps cool the brain, acting like a built-in air conditioner. When you yawn, you take in a big gulp of air, increasing blood flow and cooling the brain to keep it sharp. The contagious nature of yawning might be linked to social bonding and empathy, as seeing others yawn triggers the same response in our brains. Next time you yawn, remember, it's your body's clever way of keeping your mind alert.